Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn how to delete a credit card of your Play Store. So this is an easy process to do. The first step is go to the application of Play Store, and here in Play Store we need to go to the superior right corner in the option of your profile, and here you need to go to the payment and subscriptions, and here you need to pick here in payment methods. And like you see, you got your cards here, but for delete that card you need to pick here in the last option where set more payment settings, and here in more payment settings you need to pick in the superior here in the Visa, in the card you got registered, and picking quitar. But if you want to translate that, you pick here in the option of translate, and you translate that to the English here, and you need to pick here in remove. So you remove your card and you delete that card of your account. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.